Alright, you can choose your card right now.
Opo, mga gumagala.
And she has chosen hashtag. Ooh, we need this right now. Accountability.
Oh.
As Gen Zs, I believe that accountability is important for us to save Mother Earth. Therefore, every tree we plant, every plastic we refuse, every sustainable choices we make shapes the future of this planet. We must act now because saving the Earth isn't an option, it's the only way forward. Remember, caring for Mother Earth begins with our words, but it is realized through our action. Let's dream of a sustainable future and commit to building it every day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Athena. It's not just an option. Are you ready? Good evening, good evening. Lovely dress. Okay, and we can hear your lovely answer. And she has chosen hashtag something what we experience every single day. Traffic. Hashtag traffic.
Thank you for that. Well, we all know that this is very important, especially to address. Traffic is very prevalent here in the Philippines. And I believe that if we are able to incorporate sustainable actions or innovations and initiatives, we are able to combat this because this has been a great problem, especially here in our country. In order to address this, I believe that we can do or incorporate and implement like sustainable infrastructure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Just in the nick of time, all three sessions.
Good evening, Robbie.
Good evening. Okay, are you ready for your
Opo,
hashtag?
opo kayo mga naglalakad dyan.
Because I have
Paano kayo mga naglalakad sa ano?
We're so ready for your answer. Vanessa, please choose your hashtag right now. And she has chosen urban
Opo,
planning.
opo, yung mga
Hashtag
naglalakad.
urban planning.
Hashtag urban planning. As we face urbanization and globalization in today's world, I think that it is important for us to include sustainability in the process. As we continue to use the resources that we have in this world, we continue to deplete our natural resources. We must do something about it because at the end, nature is not the problem, but the discipline of us people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vanessa, for that answer.
Sakera pala ng magandang.
I'm just making sure if you're reading something or not.
Ha?
Okay, answer that with voice. Thank you. We'll be seeing more of you. Joy Barcoma with lots of fans. You want to say hi to them first?
Thank you very much, Robbie. Hello, Earth. Mabuhay, Pilipinas. Welcome to Miss Philippines Earth Coronation Night.
Wow! Delivered that line perfectly. I'm nervous for my job. Joy, please go ahead and get your hashtag.
Walang ano?
Her hashtag word is humanity.
People are sometimes so self-centered that we always think about what's best for us. But have we ever think about what's best for humanity? If we were to consider all the decisions that we are making, then we are also considering the actions that we're doing. It's high time that we protect the earth by protecting each other. And by doing so, we are protecting the future generation.
Oh, hello, Karen. All right, are you ready? Her word is flood. Something that most of us experienced recently here in the Philippines, flood.
I'm aware that flooding in the Philippines has affected us all, especially in the northern lands, where up to five typhoons in weeks has hit us hard. Me in Pangasinan, it has hit my heart, and I just want to cry out for the earth. We need to protect our earth. We need to see in a greener light, in a silver lining, so that we, the people of the Philippines, can come together in a sense of bayanihan, togetherness, so that we can create a greener world. Sense in a difficult situation, we should be able to come together. Thank you so much.
And thank you for that remarkable answer. Wow. This pedestal that you see on stage, it's made from 33,788 pieces of single-use sachets crafted by our friends at Eco Home Arts. Let's give them a big round of applause. A testament that trash can be turned into treasure. I want one. Very beautiful. So So if you're into stylish and eco-friendly home pieces, just go check them out. But right now, let's get back to business. And behind me are 5 more delegates, all eager to earn that all-important nod coming from our judges. So let's keep things rolling with our delegate coming from. Hi, Krista. Okay, she's on to business right now. Thank you. Before this hashtag, you want to say hi to everyone on that side?
Hello, good evening everyone, and good evening to my beloved Lalakaw Bukidnon. Thank you so much for coming here.
Okay. Your word is climate justice. Climate justice.
Hashtag climate justice. I believe we should practice green activities or sustainability activities so that we can have a green and good environment. And standing here in front of you is a civil engineer aspirant, which is advocating for eco-green building. And eco-green building is a event that is good for construction through sustainability and diversity, because despite adversity and environment, we shall have a climate justice by practicing even the 5 R's so that we can create a green environment for everyone. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much, Lalakaw Bukidnon, Rizal J. Torres. Right now, let's have La Paz Layton, Angel Rose Campo Tambal. With some lights over there. Good evening.
Good evening, Sir Robbie.
Sir Robbie, I feel like a teacher right now. Okay. La Paz Layton, why don't we appreciate the lights right there? Coming
Hello.
from our French family. Go ahead.
Hello to my fellow Lapas-Noonalaitanians. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting me.
Okay. Are you ready, Miss Angel Rose Campo Tambal?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's have your hashtag. The hashtag word is positivity.
As someone who survived one of the strongest typhoon ever recorded in the Philippine history, that moment made me realize that even at the darkest times, we tend to forget to be positive and see the positivity in the darkest times. But as I stand here, I'd like to remind everyone that we are the silver lining. We must contribute, give measurable actions towards our community. That's why I've been advocating towards sustainable engineering, environmental education, because true resiliency goes both having strong infrastructure and informed communities. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel Rose Campo Tambal. Thank you. Today, a word that we have been afraid of back in 2022. Okay, right now, Sunny is Filipino Community of Tallahassee for the USA, Jamie Strickland. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. How are you?
I'm so good. Okay, love that smile. All right, please get your hashtag right now.
Baka si
And she has chosen
Leren at Ancolis.
feminism. Hashtag feminism.
Hashtag feminism. Feminism makes us strong, believing that women empowered can make actual change. An example would be Miss Philippines Earth 2025. Us delegates here today, not only just advocating for the Earth, but taking action as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Jamie Strickland, Philippine Community of Tallahassee for the USA. Who run the world? Girls. Okay. Coming on stage right now is Philippine Community of Rome, Italy, Kate Gatbatan. Good evening, Kate.
Good evening, sir.
Before anything else, there's another sir. I feel like a sir tonight with my necktie. Okay, Kate, before anything else, you want to greet all of our kababayan, especially our Filipino kababayans abroad, especially in Italy, right now?
I would like to thank especially my family and my supporters that even I'm alone here, they're supporting me from Italy, and I'm so super thankful for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. How do you say good evening in Italian?
Buonasera.
Buonasera. Buonasera. Yeah, that's the flag. Okay. The hashtag is self-reliance. Self-reliance.
Isa mga kakalikasan ng gabi, Pilipinas. Thank you for the hashtag. Hashtag self-reliance. I believe that when people recognize their connection to the planet, especially to one another, can act all together and have a better planet in saving our planet only home, the Earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Filipino community from Rome, Italy. Keep that one done. Last but not least, for batch number 2 is Antipolo City, Liz Mabao. Just to be clear, there are people watching at home. I think like 40% of the audience is filled with banners of Antipolo. How do you feel about that?
I feel so overwhelmed and blessed to be supported by wonderful people. It just fuels me to do better.
I hope it does, especially for this segment. That's the plug, Liz. Please get the remaining hashtag. And she has chosen the thing that I need the most, critical thinking.
I think one of the problems that we have is that we don't use our creative juices. It's high time that we be critical thinkers and come up with innovations that could potentially solve our problems. We have a growing ability to create solutions that could heal and restore. So together, let's promote innovations that work with our environment, not against it.